guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm getting ready to go out, so I kind of wanted to film for you guys. So yeah, so today I already went ahead and I primed my face. I used my Tatcha and I used my Cover FX Pore, and then now I'm just gonna try to do a different foundation, and I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless, and I'm using the color 128, hoping it looks good. I did kind of color match myself here, so it looks good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this all over. Ooh, I dropped too much, way too much. All right, so I'm just gonna use my Juno sponge, and I'm going to apply this all over my face. Hopefully it is a match, because if not, I'm gonna be walking around ghost face. So I mean, it looks good, right? So I'm just going to blend this all into my skin. Oh, it's coming down. So I'm just going to blend this all out. Make sure that everything is really nice and blended. I am going to go over my cheeks one more time, because you guys know I like the full coverage on my cheeks. So I'm just going to go over that. But I like to go one time all over my face. Then I go back, and wherever I need the most coverage, that's where I go back and reapply. So going to blend all this out. And I'm also going to apply this on my lids, because I like to cancel out any redness, any pigmentation that I might have on the lid. So yeah. Then I'm just going to go back and apply a little bit more on my cheeks. Like I said, I really like to full coverage my cheeks, so. And then just bring it down my neck as well. Make sure everything is really nice and blended. Okay, I'm gonna put this foundation back in the tubey, because I did spill a little bit more than I wanted. So I just cover this up. Alright, so for concealer, I'm going to be trying the Maybelline New York Instant Age Rewinding Eraser Dark Circles, and I'm using the color Light Pale. Oh, I didn't know that it had like a sticker on there, so I have to remove the sticker. Oh, okay, so it does have a sticker. It's a rewind. It's like a little, not rewind, but little clicker to get the product out. So I'm guessing I go this way, right? Am I doing it right? Yeah, it should be coming out. It says to go that way, so there you go. The product is finally coming out. There you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this under the eyes. I don't know how I feel about the sponge though, because I'm so used to being at a wand. So I don't know. This is the first time I've ever used this product. It doesn't feel bad though. I'm afraid that the product, the little sponge, is going to absorb my foundation, so I don't know. Okay, feels kind of weird. Alright, that should be fine. Going back with my same little spongy, and I'm going to blend this all out. So far, so good. It looks really good. Okay, do the other side. I really like doing my under eyes first, because once I do like everything else and I go under the eyes, I feel like everything gets caked on right there. So I would like to do the eyes, under the eyes first, and then I'd like to do the rest of my face. Okay, so it looks good. I like the color on it. you know, let me see with the mirror. So I do have a mirror, but I don't really use it. It looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it with my Too Faced setting powder. I just want to make sure that I get every little crack, because I usually miss it and then you can see it separating, so, and I hate that. Alright, so I'm going to set it. First I'm going to set under the eye. So if I'm too busy doing something and I forget, you want to go back and kind of just apply the sponge again to make sure you blend out any cracks. Then you grab your spongy and you just go ahead and set under the eyes. You can do this with the brush, but I really like doing it with the sponge. I feel like it just places the product a lot better. Like that. It's in my mouth. Ugh. Around my mouth, because I know I move my mouth a lot, so I don't want the product to separate there. Especially the nose. I don't want to get oily, so you want to make sure you really apply this on the nose. And then the forehead, of course. And then for the rest of the face, I'm going to use a brush to set it. So there we go. I'm just going to grab a brush. Where is my big brush? Here's the Morphe E1 brush. I really like this one because it gets like big spots. So just gonna go ahead and set my face. And my eyes, of course, you don't want to forget to set the eyes. Alright, everything looks good. Going back with the Morphe bronzer. I really like this bronzer, so I'm going to use it for a few more videos because I really like it. So I'm just going to go ahead and bronze up my face a little bit to give myself a little bit of color. So I'm gonna do my cheeks, so it looks like I've lost weight, but I really haven't. And then temples, and then my other temple, and then you want to do your chin, of course. That's the most important thing, to make your chin appear like you don't have a double chin. Just blend that down. You want to make sure you blend all this out. You don't want to leave it as is, because if you're walking out like this, it's going to be a little crazy. So you want to make sure you go back and blend everything. Okay, let me check. I want to check the camera settings, because sometimes I feel like it is too bright and you guys can't really see what I'm doing. So alright, I'm good with that one. So for today's video, I decided I'm going to try new products. So I'm going to be using the E.L.F and JKISSA palette. They did send it to me as PR, and I'm really excited to do a makeup look with it. And this is what it looks like. And it does come with a little tiny brush. So cute. So I'm going to go ahead and come up with a makeup look, and then I'll be right back and show you guys what I come up with. Alright, so this is what I came up with, and I really like how it looks. It's kind of, you know, a pop of that green, lime green. I don't think I've ever done a look with that. So I did mix mostly all the colors. I maybe didn't use 2 of them. These 2 I didn't use, but I used the rest of them. And I really like how it looks. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to be using this color right here. And I'm assuming this one is called so it's the bottom one, mac and cheese, and I'm going to apply that all over my crease as my transition color. And I'm using the little brush that comes in this little palette. So yeah, So mac and cheese is going all over the crease. And just blend that into the crease real good. And then I'm gonna go with Danger. Is this like brown color? And we're going to apply that right on the crease as well with that same little brush. Alright, and then I'm going to go back again with mac and cheese and just kind of blend this together. That's good. Alright, so then I'm going to go with Alien. It's that green color. I'm going to spray a little bit of setting spray onto my Morphe M167 brush. PRETTYGRACE for somebody else if you guys are interested. And I'm going to use it wet. Just because I feel like it'll get more intense. I do have to work it in though because I didn't apply any concealer onto the lid. So yeah. So I am gonna have to layer this. So just going in. And you might wanna apply some setting powder under the eyes because I am getting a little bit of fallout, and that's because it's a matte shade. And so it's my fault because I mean it's a matte shadow and I'm assuming we're not supposed to use them wet, but I like to use it anyway. So yeah, so I'm gonna do one more layer real quick just to kind of set everything. That should be fine. Alright, so for under the eyes I'm going to apply Danger. Well, actually I'm going to apply my Moon, the purple shade. Did I really apply it? I don't remember if I did. Oh my god. Yeah, I actually did. You know what? I only didn't use one color of this palette. So I'm going to use the purple shade and apply this right in the inner corner. And I'm just patting this color in. And then I'm going to be using Danger in the outer corner. And I'm just patting it in because I don't really want to get a lot of fallout. So just going to pat it in. And then with that same brush, I'm going to go with mac and cheese again and then kind of just blend that out. And then going back again with that purple shade and just reapply it because I feel like it disappeared on me. That should be fine. Then I'm going with her eyeliner. This is so cute, the packaging. It's a retractable gel eyeliner. It's in the color, I don't know. It's a blue one though. It's blue. And I like her packaging because it has like a little heart, eyelash, an eye, X's and O's, a flower, lipstick, a diamond number 23. It has a bone, you know, X's and O's, ice cream. So it's really cute, her packaging. I'm going to apply this eyeliner on my waterline. So there we go. Looks good. Then lastly, I'm going to use the purple shade. This one is called BFF. It's a purple, light purple lavender. I'm going to spray my brush with a little bit of setting spray. Then I'm going to grab that color and apply it in the inner corner of. So I'm just going to apply that color right in the inner corner of the eyes. So that's just my little pop of color in the inner corner. Clean out any fallout. And then I'm just going to go ahead and apply some lashes. These are my lashes from the Bold Face. I don't know why I say bald. Bold Face Cosmetics. I do have a discount code, so I'll list all that information in the bottom bar. I used this in my last video. And I'm just going to apply some eyelash glue. Then we're going to pop these babies on, and then we got to move on to the lip color. So we're getting ready to leave, so if you guys can hear everybody laughing and talking in the back, it's because we're about to leave and I'm over here filming. Any chance that I get, if I can film, I will definitely try to film. So yeah. While that is drying, I'm gonna use that highlighter color here with another Morphe brush, and I'm going to apply this right onto my brow bone. Look how beautiful that highlight is. And then I'm gonna grab my highlighter brush, spray some setting spray on it, grab that same highlighter color, and apply this right onto my cheekbones. And I'll apply it onto here. How beautiful this color is. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pop on my lashes. As close as I can to my real ones. That should be good. Ah, it moved. So I gotta be careful with this. I always have issue, and I know I tell you guys all the time, but literally this lash on this eye, well, it's not the lash, it's my eye, because it does it with all the lashes, it always pops off first. So once this one starts coming off, I already I'm done. I'm taking them all off. So yeah. Alright, so for mascara, it actually came with the mascara as well, and it's a brown mascara. I don't even know where to put the box at. But it's a brown mascara. Has all her little designs on it as well. So it's a brown mascara, and I'm going to apply this to the bottom lashes. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna use it. And I'm just gonna use the black mascara for the top, just so that my lashes, the falsies, get together. This is the Marc Jacobs mascara. I have to use this one because the other mirror's too small. Alright. That's good. I just need to make sure that everything is good. Alright. That should be good. And that's that for that. I'm gonna look for lip that I can do because I feel like I have a lot of stuff going on already. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I will be... Okay, so I know in my last video I used a lip gloss, and you know, I've really been digging them because I feel like it keeps my lips moisturized and my lips don't start peeling. I don't know, ever since I've been getting my lips done, my lips seem to peel a lot from the center. So once I use lip glosses, it doesn't happen. So I try to keep them moisturized. So I'm gonna use this one from MAC. This is the lip glass and liquid passion. It's an old one, but I still... Alright, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I love you guys so much. I really appreciate you guys all for the love and the support, the comments, and all that. It means so much to me. I love you guys, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.